Hello there, MLC gamers. Today, Michael has a new Lego set he will be building for you guys in time lapse. But first, he's gonna show you the set, and then we're gonna get on to the time lapse vid. Anyways, bring in the set, Hulkbuster. You want it right here? Oh yeah, right there's good. Okay, guys, thanks, Hulkbuster. No problem. So this little London bus is a Lego Creator set. It's ages 7 plus. It's set 40220 and has 118 pieces. If we take a look at the back, we can see like just the other side, I think, of the London bus. It has a big sticker with a minifigure, a dragon, which I think I have that dragon. It came in the Creator set. And it just says the brick. I don't know if you guys can read that. I don't know what it says. But it says the brick something. And then in the corner, it comes with those things when you're filming movies. I don't know what those things are called. But anyways, and I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching our new Lego video, MLC gamers. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the bell. And we'll see you guys in our next Lego video. Bye, MLC gamers. We'll see you next time. Whoa.